The only teacher you need are your results that you get from your actual action, from your decision that you made, from your real desired goals. Hello and welcome back to video number 3 of the Girl, You Making Trash Decisions. It's time to stop. I'm just kidding. I don't really have a name for it, but this is the 3-part video series in regards to decision making. Okay, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is S5J, and on my channel we talk about mindset mastery, transformation, and getting more fulfillment out of this here life. So I've confronted you. I've given you the reasoning behind why your brain seems to work against you when it actually is working against you because it wants to keep you safe. But what's good with all of that information if we're not going to take any action? So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make better decisions by giving you a system that forces movement, because you have to push yourself out of what you're used to get to the next level. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe. And if you have, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. I truly appreciate you. All right, so in this 3-step decision system, number 1, you need to define the real outcome. This is not the time to be vague. This is not the time to be open. This is the time to get really specific about what it is you want. If you are familiar with SMART goals, SMART, SMART being an acronym for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely, that's the decision. That's the type of decision you need to make. The outcome that you really want needs to be specific. It does not need to be vague. The reason you want to be very specific, you need to know, and you need to define, why do you actually want this outcome? In order to do that, you need to know specifically what the outcome is, because you can't define it if you know. This gives you your why. I don't want you to focus on what sounds good, what pleases other people. We've done enough of that. This is for you. This is 100% about what you want. It's all about you. Because if I've made decisions before, but I was unclear about the outcome. And when I did, guess what? Every option that I was choosing felt confusing. I'm using this same system right now because I am currently in the midst of where once was a dream. And so I'm like, okay, what does that next level look like for me? And so like I say, I am very much so in the trenches with you, maybe a couple steps ahead, but I completely understand this part because first off, let's be completely honest. If you have options, you are blessed. You have a completely, like, a life. So recognize that and be extremely grateful. This is not the time to skip that part. But also at the same time, when you have so many options, it's confusing because everything sounds good. It smells good. It seems like it's going to taste so good. I'm not talking about food. I'm talking about fuel, the things that's going to catapult you into the direction of your dream life. And so you're like, man, if I make a decision about this thing, then I'm going to box myself out of the endless other possibilities. That is avoiding, which is fear, which is why you've been delaying making the decision. I had to confront myself with this exact same reality, with this reality check. I was doing it. I was very vague. Yes, like I said, we're going to always leave room for God, the universe, manifestation, miracles, magic, whatever it is you're capable of attracting. At the same time, we have to be specific about what we want and not be vague. Those things are like icing on a cake. They're like sprinkles on a cake. Like, not necessary. You can still enjoy the cake without the sprinkles, but if added, makes it so much more colorful, bright, but it's not necessary. So be very specific when you are creating or defining your outcome, the real outcome that you want, that's for you. Now, what other people expect you to make, because you've made other types of decisions for this far. This is for you. So the second, and a very important, well, all the steps are important, but you know how I like to exaggerate, very important. But the second step in this 3-part decision making system is for you to set a decision deadline. You need to make a deadline on when you have to make the decision, because if not, you're just going to continue collecting data, opinions, other people's permission that don't matter. You're going to continue looking for ways out. That's because your brain is trying to protect you. You're trying to protect this old identity. You don't even know that you're sabotaging yourself when you do this. So, having a decision deadline is very crucial. You don't need to drag it out for days or weeks. You can sleep on it one night, but do you really need 3, 4, 5 nights of sleeping on it? This is when you step into your own and trust your intuition. This is when you leave decision fatigue behind. You prioritize yourself when you have the decision deadline, because you are going to put all of your energy into this decision that's for you, instead of uh, giving it out to everything else and all of your other responsibilities and then putting yourself last. This flips the whole script. This takes you from last to first. This prioritizes your needs. This prioritizes your goals. So when you set a decision deadline, don't don't be flexible. Set that date and get it straight. If it's a small decisions, you don't even need to sleep overnight. 5 to 10 minutes. Give yourself 5 to 10 minutes. You know how they say the most successful people respond to text messages immediately? That's you. Bigger decisions, sure. One day, one night. Give yourself 24 hours max. Make a decision by setting. You're going to make your decision much faster when you set that deadline. Because the longer you entertain indecision and not making the decision, you're going to crawl your way out of that next level. And over here, we are building a rich life on purpose, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. So you're my people. Set your decision deadline. I've done this. It works. Trust me, it works. And the third step of the 3-part decision system is that you're going to decide, take action, collect data. This is where most people break. Make the decision. You thought it was going to be something else? No, make the decision. Immediately take action. We'll have no more room. You made a decision. You did the deadline. You did number one, where you got clear with your outcome, where you got clear with your real outcome that you want. You did number two, where you made a deadline to make the decision. Don't stop there. Oh, no, no, no. Make it. Take action immediately. Take action immediately. That's why I always say, when you're working towards a goal and you're new to habit stacking, you're new to building your dream life, you need to find something that's the lowest hanging fruit, that's free to low cost to start, so that there's little to zero barriers in between you and taking the action. Do it immediately. And the data collecting part is just you paying attention to the results that you get from taking the action immediately, without making it mean something about you. We're just collecting data. We're collecting facts. So, for example, for my fifth first, my fifth attempt, but the first successful one at walking 10,000 steps every single day for 100 days, the data that I collected was, one, I was waiting too late in the day to start to ensure that I reach my 10,000 steps. So that was like, okay, procrastinating. I was procrastinating on it. I was cutting it too close. I achieved it. I was successful, but I was cutting it way too close. Data collected. So then I was like, okay, it was winter, so I needed to go out earlier because it gets darker. So boom, I was able to adjust that variable and make a better decision. That took time. I don't think I really got into it until like day 60 of day one of the 100-day challenge, where I was actually not waiting to the last minute, because it was something new. But I had to act immediately. So I just kept practicing, making a decision, moving, taking action, practicing until I got it right. The reason I got it right was because I used the data. I stopped trying to be right and I started using the data to inform, to make me a better decision maker. And then when I did that, other areas of my life I was able to change and build more habits that contributed to my goals. And that's just one example. It works. Just do it. So today I want you to pick one decision that you've been avoiding. If it's a small decision, I want you to press pause and make the decision in 5 minutes or less. I want you to know to follow the 3-part system. Take immediate action. Tomorrow's the last day of winter. Take immediate action. Get it done. You got this. Set that 5-minute timer. Decide. Take one action immediately. No journaling for 3 days. You don't need to ask 5 people. You don't need no more data. This is the data you need. The data you need is this 3-part decision making system. because you intuitively already know what it is. So let's make what it is you know come out into reality. The version of you that you are going to become does not fit into indecision. She doesn't fit into delay. She doesn't fit into overthinking and avoiding and allowing herself to be fear led. She decides, she moves, she adjusts. That's who you really are. And if not, that's who you need to learn to be. That's a good decision maker. That's how you follow the system. And you keep doing this over and over. You don't do this one time. You continuously do this over and over until you get so good you're not no longer second guessing yourself. Why? Because the confidence is going to come after the action, not before. You don't need all the clarity before. You just need to start before you're ready. I wasn't even trying to do that. But if you're interested in a 7-day challenge, I created the Start Before You're Ready challenge. It is free. Link is in the description. Essentially, you need to make a decision of a goal you want to accomplish, and in 7 days you're going to build such high level of trust with yourself by getting that goal completed, done. This can be in any area of your life, whether it's health and wellness, business, or your job, or just mental clarity and just cleaning up a certain area of your life. I guide you right on through it, but you have to make the decision to start immediately. Be sure to click that link in the description. Make the decision, move on it, and let the decision teach you, and let the results teach you. The only teacher you need are your results that you get from your actual action, from your decision that you made, from your real desired goals. If you're ready to build a rich life on purpose, mentally, physically, spiritually, or financially, be sure to subscribe, because here on my channel, we talk about mindset mastery, transformation, and getting more fulfillment out of this life. I want you to make better decisions. I hope this video series, this very short video series, helps you to really understand where you've been, why you've been, and where you're going. It's time to go in the direction of our dream life. This video isn't even long because we got to get right to the point. I made a decision. We're going to get this done. Sun up, sundown, neighbor mowing the lawn, all types of variables. But I had a goal. I set out to do it. I am you at a different wavelength, and vice versa. So I hope you have a beautiful day. My name is Spivey J. Peace.